teach you guys how to use one of the coolest features of After Effects called Brainstorm. So let's just pop into our real tutorial here, and inside of After Effects let's create a new composition using Ctrl M. And once this is done, 10 seconds long, half the resolution, 24 frames per second, and HD quality is going to suit us perfectly. So let's create a solid layer, and if you're done with this, let's just use some randomized effects like Fractal Noise. Just a second. Fractal Noise. Let's heat up a hue and saturation effect. Then we could use some tint, and another very exciting effect which is called vector blur. Just to clear things up, these effects are not obligatory by the aspect of our little tutorial here, so these are just some random effects. I could have picked any of the effects available in the effects and presets panel. So once they are applied to our solid layer, I'm going to select all of them, as you can see. You can also close them up, and once I have selected all of them, let's just click on this little icon saying Brainstorm. This is going to give us some examples of what we can do with the selected effects. So let's just set the randomness to 100% and hit Brainstorm again. This means that After Effects totally randomly changes the values given the specified effects, and it gives us some really interesting looks. Sometimes it gets a bit messy, like it gets totally changed to one of the colors, but it could result in some really exciting looks, like this one for example. If you're satisfied with one of them, you just have to click on the little tick here which says apply to composition, and it's gonna quickly copy it to the composition itself. So you could use any effects, as I said. Let's just use particular from trap code and give it a tint again, so that we get some nice colors. Let's just quickly set the pre-run to 100 so that we get some stuff out of here. And it's not gonna turn out real interesting because particular is a motion-based effect, which means that it needs time to show what it's got. But let's just say that Fractal Noise is one of the most interesting effects once we're talking about Brainstorm. It could work on its own. So if we just click on the effect itself a couple of times, it's gonna give us totally random looks, as you can see. It's, for example, this one. If you just want to animate the whole thing, you just have to alt click on evolution and type in times and let's say 300. We can do a quick RAM preview so that we see what we've made so far. And this is it. This looks like, I don't know, lava from the top. Alright guys, that's all I could tell you in this tutorial. If you think this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button on Facebook, because this helps me a lot, means a lot to me. So I see you guys in the next one.